Today I'm going to unpackage the Kafatek MC6. I ordered this in August and I got it 2 days ago on the 29th, and then when it first came, the office staff opened it to make sure everything was okay. So it's a rather light package. It's not as heavy as I expected. So it looks to be packaged quite well, and there's a lot of insulation here. Here's the box of accessories. Let's see what this is. Water bottle for the spraying of the beans. I'm not sure what this is. I guess this is to push it. This dosing funnel. And here's the power cord. So let's see. It's quite light compared to the Titus espresso grinder that I opened up before. It was very hard for me to pick up, but this is much lighter. So that's that. I'm not sure, I guess that goes back there. And there's some instructions. They recommend 2 to 3 pounds. I guess before they used to send some coffee with it, but I don't see any coffee. So that's basically it. And then they've got all the controls and everything. So I'll set this up for a grind in a few days. We'll see how quiet or loud it is compared to my other grinder. Now I just have to wait for a good espresso machine.